Like what?
Do you have a polo shirt or no?
No, I don't like polo shirts. The first startup of the National 1979 multi-split floor standing aircon in 5 months, I think. No, it came in June, July, August. Yeah, around 5 months. The extra clanging you heard shortly after the startup shutter was the gate. The gate closing, not the aircon. Cosmetically, it still looks pretty good. Although the fan bearings are dry, you need new grease in the ball bearings.
Is it cake and dust? Holy shit.
Yes. Eight? First digit is 8. Could it be 1978?
Okay, what's the last phone number?
But the compressor still sounds really good. Original protective plastic film. I don't think it's been. Oh. It has been peeled off above here. It's been peeled off above there. Check medium. There's not much of a difference between low and medium anymore. High is still powerful. Back down to low. Good news is, the ball bearings have only started becoming dry within the past 1 or 2 years. So the bearings should still be salvageable instead of doing a complete replacement job. Although a replacement job would be optimal, it's really hard to pull out this unit. Yeah?
你的 parents 去了 restaurant 啊？
Yeah.
阿媽呢？
Still in the room, I think. Not sure.
Then can you go and check?
And yeah, there's no space to access the blower.
You go and check because we don't have access to the blower.
Metal back. Toilet roll. Oh, that's kitchen. Later, I will film the second unit. Oh yeah. The plants are blowing because of the wind from the outdoor unit. So later, I'll film the second indoor unit. Wait, that's weird. The outdoor unit still steams with blowing. Yeah, it did not do that last time, so relay must be sticking. This switch is a little maneuvering. Press it in. Yeah. Then classic plastic plug. Thick wire, just like my KB30B. And that's for the indoor unit. The outdoor unit is still blowing. So, we must turn it off here. Now it stops. To think that the relay failed first before the compressor
Please come.
or whatever.
Wait. Can you please close the window, please? There, the window. The left hand side. Thank you very
Yeah.
much.
Then careful. Look it.
Oh, the latch is broken. But yeah, later
Thank you.
I'll film the second unit.